No personal loans at 20%, no stress, no need to sell your mutual funds. We are really exploring some exciting products like loan against securities and insurance. Insta Plus journey is fully digital and incredibly seamless. Hi, I'm Aman Kedia and I've been with INDmoney for the last 5.5 years. Right now, I'm leading the lending business for the company. Insta Plus is an innovative solution where you can unlock cash against your mutual fund using it as collateral without having the need to sell them. It is fast, hassle-free and gives you the flexibility when you actually need it. We recently had conversations with our users who had sold their mutual funds and tried understanding what is the need for it. Why are they selling their mutual funds? The common themes that came out were a lot of people were using the money for their short-term financial needs, like a car down payment or a medical emergency that has recently come up. That's where the idea of Insta Plus struck us. Just think about it. No personal loans at 20%, no stress of huge EMIs, and no need to sell your mutual funds, perhaps which you were saving for your retirement planning or any other expense that you would have planned for future. There are three key aspects that sets Insta Plus stands out from other loan products that are available in the market. First, competitive interest rate. At 10.5%, I think there are hardly any products that are available for a personal loan lending. Second, access to users with no credit score. Unlike other loan products where there is a minimum credit score requirement, Insta Plus is available for all, whether you are new to credit or you have a limited credit history. Third, flexible repayments. With Insta Plus, you just need to pay interest on the amount that you have used every month. Principal part of it can be paid by you whenever you want to as per your flexibility. Insta Plus journey is fully digital and incredibly seamless. Users can easily complete the onboarding process right from fetching mutual funds to completing KYC to completing pledging and even signing the agreements without any human intervention. When we think of Tata, what is the one word that comes to your mind? Without a doubt, it's trust. And that's exactly what defines INDmoney ethos as well. Partnering with Tata will not only help us to build that trust with our users, but also give us the right scale to take this product to newer heights. Unexpected expenses are one of the biggest threats to derail one's long-term financial plans and also create stress. With Insta Plus, we aim to create a safety net for our users, give them an extended wallet so that they can dip into it whenever they need it. Oh, our users are just loving it. We are overwhelmed by the response we've got from them. One moment that really stands out for me is when a startup founder tried our product and even took out the time to write the details about it. She mentioned about the seamless integrations that has happened at the time when we were onboarding the product. Also mentioned the joy of getting the amount instantly into her bank account. She shared how seamless the entire process was, right from the tech integration to the ease of getting the money credited to her bank account. It was such a rewarding experience to actually know that we have created some impact in one's life. We are really exploring some exciting products like loan against securities and insurance. It's an exciting time at INDmoney and can't wait to share what's next. Stay tuned. I think gratifying. Definitely late night brainstorming. Although I'm an early morning person, but I like to brainstorm things during night. I think it has to be automobile. User feedback is gold, but data is your compass. Hashtag multitasking. I'm a good painter and I really like to paint. AI powered. I feel that it's used very loosely. Not made it enough to share it yet. हो गया अब? Thanks. अच्छा, एक चीज और. अगर mutual funds है, तो always remember, Insta Plus has got you covered.
Investment in the securities market is subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.